Hi and welcome. So yesterday I was conducting this little data mining, data scraping thing that I did on Amazon and on a couple of their competitors, and I tried to see as to how best you could harvest information from the internet. You could go ahead and probably download their competitive prices and things to that effect. That happened, so that was pretty much easy. We could do that. We could get the prices. We could get the product names. So these are the product names. These were the prices. So this all turned out to be pretty much okay. But I was having some challenges with Shiny. I couldn't necessarily go ahead and plot it properly. So I uploaded something on GitHub, but I did not upload the Shiny app. So now the Shiny is done, and that is what I wanted to share with you. So let me say run app straight away, and it goes to my local host, and this is what I get to see, and it's taking a while to upload. So let me show you how the data needs to be formatted. So if we can maintain this format, absolutely anybody can use this application. It will be online. So what is the first column, that is, or the first variable, that's the product or the product name. The next is the vendor. So as far as vendor is concerned, I've just got two of them right now. You could have multiple vendors over here. This is day 1, day 2, day 3, different prices for those particular day of these products. And coming back to, okay, it's still getting done. So what I'll do is I'll probably go and disable the part wherein it's trying to get on to. I don't want this for now. I'll just go ahead with the local host. Okay, this was quick. Now it says competitor market analysis, and we have web scraped, web harvested the product prices of 4 vendors. We now compare these using our dynamic plots. So these are not very fancy plots. I couldn't get much fancy things done yet, but let's see if. So it's simple. You go ahead and pick up this particular CSV file. It's just a 2 KB file from your local hard disk, and this is what it looks like. The file, it's got 50 records. Like I said, product, vendor name, day 1 price, day 2 price, and day 3 price. And if we were to go ahead and have a look see here, the first day's price, the average is 574.8, and I'll come back to this now and as to why I wanted to show you that. Now what I've done is I've just gone ahead and uploaded that CSV, and it's given me a nice decent plot over here. It gives me the product name, the vendor, the day 1, and of course all of this gets sorted. If I click on this, I get the highest and the lowest price, and similarly for day 2, similarly for day 3, and this is the average of these 3 days for each and every product for whichever vendor it might be. And what we can further do is we can use this a little widget called Pageable, and if I go and click on this, it will increase the amount of records which are being shown to me. So if I go ahead and say 21, so it's a little slow. Okay, why is this not happening? Let me refresh the page. Something seems to be going wrong over here. Okay, anyways, this was happening a while back, and no, there's something wrong with the application. One second, let me again go and upload the CSV. Here we upload the CSV, and there you get to see it. Okay, so I won't play around much with it. I think I clicked on something which I was not supposed to. It seems to be working fine now. So it is reducing the number of rows, and it is also increasing the number of rows or the number of records that I have. And I've got 50 records. So let me see till where I can go with this and without it kind of going bad. So yeah, it's showing me displaying 30. It will probably display more than that also. Fine. So this is okay. And in case you want to go to the next page, you can just click on the next page, and it shows you all the 50 records, which is okay. So this is just a table, a dynamic table, and these are the averages, the average for that particular row, and this is the day's price. Now you have two vendors, vendor A, which is Amazon, and vendor F, that is say Flipkart, and it very clearly mentions, and this is got calculated right now. It says for vendor A, the product price cost per day is 1.574. Sorry. For day one is 574.8. Yeah. So that's what we got here, 574.8. And if you look at the second value, it gives you 573.466, and that is the value for this particular column, the day 2 column, the average, that is 573.466. So it's calculating the average for that particular day for both the vendors, and you could also make some changes in the code, so you can't dynamically do it from here, but by making some changes in the code you can get it for that particular vendor for that particular day, and of course you get a difference. So this is the basic analysis of variance as to what is the difference. If you were to look at day 1, 2, 3, 4, so this is how the spread is, and for those particular days what was the density of the products which were selling at a particular price band. So this is a very basic proof of concept kind of a approach that I have over here, and I tried to upload it on the internet. That is not happening right now, so I'll have to have a look as to why that is there. And this is basically wrapping up the data mining. So we've done the data mining already, and I posted that code over here, and this pretty simple stuff. So once this gets done by R Selenium, you get a Excel sheet that is formatted in this particular manner, and you just go ahead and upload that from your local hard drive into the Shiny app, which is this, and you get an output of this sort. You can have it on your local machine in case you don't want to publish it, or you can host it within your intranet, or you can host it on the internet. Thanks a lot.